Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make repost private on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your TikTok app and navigate to this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this section, as you can see, this particular two arrows going up and down is the repost icon. Here you will be able to check out all of the repost posts. So if you want to simply go ahead and private them, unfortunately there is no way to do that from your account itself. Instead, you have to go to your three horizontal line on top right corner again, and then you have to go to settings and privacy. Go to the privacy section from over here and tap on private account. Once your account has been private, then that particular repost will automatically go to private mode. Only the followers that you have turned them to your friends, they will be able to have access to it. Public will not be able to have access. If you don't want to do that, you can simply go ahead and go back, tap on your repost, tap on the share icon and tap on remove repost. Once you do that, your repost will be removed and nobody will be able to have the access to it from your profile. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.